coffee's cold, the room is still. I trace the dust upon the windowsill. Your favorite sweater's draped across the chair. I catch the phantom scent of your hair. I keep on staring at the glowing screen, replaying every word and every scene. Now I'm dancing with the shadows on the wall, waiting for a heavy heart to fall. You left me drowning in this quiet space, searching for the outline of your face. The sweetest melody has turned to gray since you packed your bags and walked away. Midnight ticking is a deafening sound. Without your laughter echoing around, I pour two glasses just like we used to do, then realize one is meant for only you. I know I have to let you set us free, but my empty arms still reach for what it used to be. Yeah, I'm dancing with the shadows on the wall, waiting for a heavy heart to fall. You left me drowning in this quiet space, searching for the outline of your face. The sweetest melody has turned to gray since you packed your bags and walked away. They say that time will heal a broken chest, but missing you was my eternal test. I hope the road you're on is treating you right, even if it leaves me in the dark tonight. And I'm dancing with the shadows on the wall, waiting for a heavy heart to fall. You left me drowning in this quiet space, searching for the outline of your face. The sweetest melody has turned to gray since you packed your bags and walked away. Yeah, you walked away, and I'm left alone, just shadows in my room calling out.